Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Let's open some Happy Mail. This is from a super sweet subby of mine, Laura. Laura, thank you so much for sending this surprise package. I wasn't expecting it, and again, you don't have to send me anything, but I appreciate you so much. So let's open it up. I have just opened up this part here. So Laura joined my mini nail challenge last year for my birthday giveaway, and she included some wonderful stuff. So she's a card maker, and a lot of the cards she makes, she donates to hospitals, which is such a wonderful thing to do. I see that we have our letter here. Look at that beautiful little label and that beautiful embellishment. So I am gonna open our washi's coming. I'm gonna save that and put it in my journal. Let's see. How cute! I love this. This is season 2B Spooky. That's so cool. What a beautiful card. Let me just read this off camera. Oh, you're so sweet, Laura. So she also included some of these super cool ghosties. How adorable is that? I love it. Thank you so much. And let's see what else she put here. Here's a little note. It said, "My mother bought me 4 packages of these cards. I thought it would be something you would like." How sweet of you to share. Let's see. There's a sample. So it looks like a scalloped card. And I love mint. Mint is my favorite color. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that a great way to package the cards? And it is a beautiful scallop card set, and this will be great for journaling or putting photos, and also embellishing this with your own sentiment and other, decorations and ephemera. And it comes with so many envelopes too. So thank you so much. This is perfect for the holidays. Love that. I'll put that right there. And we have one more goodie bag here. It says, "I was gifted a grab bag. Here are 2 items I thought you might be able to use." Oh, so nice of you to share. Let's see what is in this mystery bag. See? Oh my goodness. Laura, that is so beautiful. I will definitely use this in my journals. What a beautiful Prima flower. They are buttons, it looks like. That is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's see what else is in here. I see Tim Holtz. Let's flip it over. Oh, how fun. This will be fun for next Halloween. I'm definitely going to use these. These are adorable. I love it. And this is some Happy Mail from Super Sweet Laura. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, unfortunately, but she makes beautiful cards, as you can see here. And thank you again for sharing these wonderful items with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.